Hi, in this lesson we're going to show you some additional free templates you could use with Google Forms. So if you've checked out the template gallery before, you know there's a limited amount of templates. They're not too bad, but there's not a lot of them. So of course you could do extensions to your web browser for many of your apps. So there is an extension that will add more templates to your Google Forms templates. So it's called Google Forms Templates by CloudHQ. So now CloudHQ, they have all kinds of add-ons for Chrome and Edge, and especially for Gmail. And if you sign up for a free account, you could actually manage all of your extensions and add-ons from one place, and then also see what other additional products they offer. All right, so we're just going to simply click on Add to Chrome. So it's going to tell you the permission here. You can show the details if you want. We're going to click on Add Extension. Okay, tells us a new background app was added. Okay, so now you can see we have our general templates that we just saw, and now we have templates by CloudHQ. So as you can see, there's a lot more than you get with the default Forms templates. So let's say we wanted to use this IT service request form. Just simply click on it. So make a copy in your forms. And there you go. And then you could edit it if you like, or keep it as is, and then send it out. Okay, I will put a link in the description where you could download this extension. Just make sure you're logged in with the Google account that you use with Forms so it adds it to the right account. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.